All rise. The Paw and Order Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Fable presiding. Please keep all squirrels on silent.
Order in the paw. The defendant, Miss Daisy, stands accused of committing veterinary fraud, also known as faking medical emergencies, for unlimited veterinary attention. The prosecution alleges that Miss Daisy has suffered 3 mysterious limps, 2 unexplained stomach aches, 1 emotional emergency, and a suspicious inability to walk normally every Tuesday morning. The court further notes that Tuesday just so happens to be Dr. Cooper's regular shift. What an extraordinary coincidence.
Every Tuesday? That's ridiculous. Sometimes it's Wednesday.
Exhibit A. Observe the defendant's Oscar-worthy performance. Daisy slowly walks into the clinic, convincing everyone she's injured. Then Dr. Cooper opens the exam room door, and suddenly she's sprinting, jumping on the exam room table, and licking the veterinarian. An astonishing recovery.
Excuse me, have you ever seen the handsome Dr. Cooper? He's kind, he gives belly rubs, and he hands out treats. My legs just start working again. I can't explain the science.
The defense would have this court believe that visual contact with Dr. Cooper instantly restored full mobility before a single medical test was performed. Fascinating. If these healing abilities are genuine, the court respectfully requests that Dr. Cooper begin accepting appointments for humans and, of course, sign my tennis ball.
Want to go to the park? Want to go for a walk? Want to go see Dr. Cooper?
We're going to see my favorite person. Best day ever.
The park has squirrels. Dr. Cooper has treats. I simply chose the superior recreational facility. This wasn't love, it was excellent customer service.
So, the defendant admits there was a choice. Interesting. Normal dogs chase tennis balls. Miss Daisy chases annual wellness exams. This court has officially heard everything. On second thought, the court has not heard everything. Someone cue the restraining order paperwork. Daisy's definition of personal space appears to be flexible.
I merely expanded my appointment hours. The blanket was prescribed for emotional support. I don't make the treatment plan.
Miss Daisy, the court has reviewed your unconventional treatment plan. While we applaud your commitment to follow-up care, breaking into your veterinarian's emotional support blanket program was never medically indicated. This court reminds you that affection is encouraged, but home visits after business hours remain strongly discouraged.
The blanket evidence has complicated my vote. I was with her, right up until the stalking.
The evidence is overwhelming. The testimony is undeniable. The defendant has smiled through every accusation, and somehow considers this a success story.
Parks are nice, but I prefer one sweet, handsome veterinarian. Treats, cuddles, happy tale. Dr. Cooper never fails.
We're one scrapbook away from a felony.
Miss Daisy, before this court reaches its decision, do you have anything you'd like to say in your defense?
Your Honor, I never broke Dr. Cooper's heart. I only borrowed his blanket.
The court has reviewed the miraculous recoveries, the selective limping, the suspicious Tuesday timing, the sprint to the car, the late-night stakeout at the Cooper residence, the blanket that somehow followed the defendant home, and perhaps most incriminating of all, the defendant's complete inability to maintain professional boundaries with her veterinarian. The evidence speaks for itself. The defendant is...
Would I fake another limp? Only if Dr. Cooper was on the schedule. I'm not made of stone.
Miss Daisy, this court finds you guilty of veterinary fraud, with overwhelming amounts of adorable intent. Miss Daisy, you are hereby sentenced to one honest annual wellness visit, unless you experience an actual medical emergency. The court also orders one complimentary belly rub, because we're not monsters.
Ready for your court-ordered belly rub?
This court is pleased to report Miss Daisy has fully complied with her sentence. The owner has saved a fortune in unnecessary vet bills. Dr. Cooper has gained an enthusiastic volunteer, and the defendant gets to see her favorite human every Tuesday. Justice has a funny way of working out. Sometimes justice isn't about punishment. Sometimes it's about helping everyone find their place and politely rejecting 14 full-time job applications while still keeping the volunteer badge. Justice served. Biscuits deserved. Remain seated. Another defendant has just entered the courtroom. Let's investigate.